Hello everyone. Today I am going to unbox or unpack my newly purchased charcoal painting set. So I recently enrolled in charcoal portrait painting with my former teacher at figure sketching, watercolor sketching, Celine Grace. So I decided to get my hands on one of the cheapest I could find at Lazada. So I bought this one at Lazada. This is a complete charcoal painting set. In the next few weeks, I'll be learning how to paint portraits using this set. Okay, so I already took out the plastic. Okay, so in case you're also interested in getting this set or interested in charcoal painting and want to get your hands on cheap materials, then this is one of those sets that you might want to consider buying. This was recommended to us by our teacher, although she also uses other brands for charcoal painting. Okay, so this set comes in this really nice binder bag, okay, or binder. So as you can see, it's well organized. The pencils are arranged from the range of hardness. So there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pencils, graphite pencils in total, ranging from 5H, 4H, 3H, 2H, HB, B, all the way to 8B. So the softest pencil in this set is 8B. Okay, so this set also comes with this alloy sharpener. It's a metal sharpener. Okay, what you're hearing in the background is Studio Ghibli Piano Station from Spotify. There's also this plastic sharpener, although I'm not sure why there's two. Maybe I'll find out later. Maybe it's because of the size of the pencils. And then there's also this graphite soft pencil here. As you can see, it already has smudge. Okay, and then there's also coal pencils, which is hard, medium, and soft. Okay, so I don't know how to use them yet because I have yet to start my class. So this is basically just an unboxing for those people who are curious what a set like this include, or the inclusions of sets like this. Okay, so this set also comes with cutter. I think this will be used for scraping charcoal off charcoal chalk, which we'll see later. Okay, so there's also this pencil extender for when the pencil becomes too short, so it will help you use up your pencil down to its last centimeter, I guess. And then there's also these smudging sticks in 3 sizes for when you're shading through narrow sections or narrow portions of portrait. But actually, my teacher recommends that we get cotton buds and cotton pads instead. She loves to use both for portraits, so luckily I have this in my stash as well. And then there's also this rubber eraser. The set also contains charcoal chalk. So one is hard, medium, and soft. Okay, so my teacher will also be teaching us how to use, or which ones to use for different purposes. So there's this coal pencil, and there's also this coal chalk. Okay, charcoal chalk. I think this one is also charcoal chalk. No, this one is graphite, while this one is the chalk. Okay, sorry about that. And then there's also this kneadable eraser, also named as H&B, the brand. So this brand is actually H&B. I bought it at Lazada for $399 only. And then the set also comes with this sandpaper for getting the chalk, for getting chalk fragments or powder, for powdering the chalk. Okay, so all in all, this is the inclusions for this set. I'm really happy. Oh, I forgot. It also comes with this sponge and sketch paper. Okay? So my teacher recommends Vellum Bristol Smooth for portrait. Actually, I've read that you can also use rough, so it's a matter of preference, I guess. But I'm excited to use this for our portrait. So maybe in the next few weeks, you'll be seeing some of my works at my website. I will post them. I will also post them in my Instagram account. All those links to my website, to the Lazada store, and to my Instagram account will be included in the description box below. So feel free to check them out. I won't be reviewing this for now because I have yet to attend my first session for charcoal portrait painting. I will do a thorough review in the future for this set. But for now, I am happy that I got this for just $399, and also because my teacher recommends it. So you'll be hearing from me again about this set in the Sunday soon. Okay, so I hope that with this unboxing, you're able to decide whether you want to get your hands on one or not. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye for now.